Welcome. This is the fourth challenge in the Snake Game project. In this video, I'll go over the challenge4.js file, then we'll look at a completed version of this challenge and go over what you'll need to do to complete this challenge. Alright, let's take a closer look at our challenge4.js file. So as you can see, we have a lot of the same things like our canvas, our context, width, height, and cell width. Something new is our variable of colors, which is an array of three colors, green, yellow, and red. Then we have another variable of lights array, and it's an empty array. Then down here we have a function that's called create lights, and it's pushing in objects into our lights array. And as we can see here, we have three properties declared in this lights array.push, which is X property, Y property, and then a colors property. And the colors property, or the color property, is accessing the colors array. So this one's 0, 1, and 2, or first will be green, yellow, and red. Alright, and come down a little bit further and we have our paint function, and we're painting on our canvas right here, which is the white background and the black border. And then down here we have this for loop that we've seen in challenge 2 and 3, where it's incrementing through our lights array index, and then for this one we're actually setting the color for the fill style to be whatever that one is. So for the first one it's going to be green, and then for the second one is yellow, and then for the third one is red. And then down here we also have a game loop, and it's set interval, and it has a value of paint, and it's being passed with 600 milliseconds. So that means that every 600 milliseconds it's going to go through paint again and again and again, and just keep on running through this. So let's save this and see what we have. So let's go back to our folder and then open the challenge4.html in our browser. And there you go, we have our three blocks with green, yellow, and red. So for this challenge, what you'll be doing is making the first block and the second block switch positions. So inside our challenge4.js, you're going to do this code on the paint function. And here's where you're going to start your code. So what we want to do is we want to take this first square, and then we want to put it down to be the third square, and we want this third square to be put up here for our first square. And then once you're able to figure out how to do that, the game loop will take care of the rest and loop through it and basically run through this paint function every 600 milliseconds. And so you have like a little animation. Alright, so that's challenge 4. Have fun.